ready to launch in 3, 2, 1. When you arrive at your destination, please focus and have fun. Welcome to your future. To learn, just press play.
Welcome back! I have a new and exciting mission for you. We will be using our skills to spell and write words with our focus sound. Remember, press pause when you see this symbol and hear this sound. Follow the directions and press play as soon as you're done. Don't waste any time. I want you to be able to earn all of your letters to the secret code to finally find out what the secret message is. Looks like it's time to get started.
Today, you will need your pencil and scissors, but you can put them aside for now.
Let's get ready to get smarter!
Clap your hands and let's review our emoji friend sounds. Ready?
I'll say the letters, you say the sound. A-R,
R,
A-R,
R,
C-H, C-H, I-N-G,
ing,
I-N-G,
ing.
magic Y,
One say I, one say E, one say U.
A-W,
Aww,
A-U,
aww,
E-W,
ooh,
O-O,
ooh.
E-R, I-R, U-R, O-I,
Oi,
O-Y,
oi,
O-O,
ooh,
O-U-L,
ooh.
P-H, P-H, O-R,
Or,
O-R-E,
or,
T-H,
and,
T-H,
and,
S-H, S-H, O-W,
ow,
O-U,
ow,
W-H,
whoa,
W-H.
whoa.
We are going to warm up for your mission by stretching and exercising. Listen for the focus sound and pay attention to how your mouth moves when you say that sound. Today, I want you to stretch out the word by bending just a little bit, and then we are going to say the sound as we go up on our tippy toes. Are you ready? Dirt. Ready? Dirt. D-er-t. Dirt. Herd. Ready? Herd. H-er-d. Herd. Fern. Ready? Fern. F-er-n. Fern. Verb. Ready? Verb. V-er-b. Verb. Term. Ready? Term. T-er-m. Term. Yearn. Ready? Yearn. Y-er-n. Yearn. Nurse. Ready? Nurse. N-er-s. Nurse. Flirt. Ready? Flirt. F-l-ert. Flirt. Smirk. Ready? Smirk. S-m-er-k. Smirk. Swirl. Ready? Swirl. S-w-irl. Swirl. Paper. Ready? Paper. you will need your scissors. I want you to cut out the emoji friend in the top corner of your paper. Then press play when you're finished. Press pause now. Step right up. Welcome to the duck pond. Say the sounds in the word to uncover the focus sound. On your paper, put your emoji friend on the number where you think the sound will be. Then we will find out together. Get ready.
Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the sound is in earth. Okay, let's check. Say the sounds in earth. Ready? Earth. If you said duck number 1, you are correct. Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the sound is in purse. Let's find out if you're right. Say the sounds in purse. Ready? S. If you said duck number 2, you are amazing. Okay, where do you think the is in bird? Let's see if you're right. Say the sounds in bird. Ready? B. D. If you said duck number 2, you found it. Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the is in stir. Let's check it out. Say the sounds in stir. Ready? If you said duck number 3, you got it. Where's the in skirt? Let's say the sounds in skirt. Ready? If you said duck number 3, you are amazing. This time, let's find the in mixer. Okay, let's say the sounds and find out. Ready? X. If you said duck number 4, you really know your stuff. Where do you think the is in burst? Let's say the sounds. Ready? B. St. If you said duck number 2, you got it. Where do you think the is in under? Let's say the sounds and find out. D. If you said duck number 4, you are a winner.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 60, write the letter U. We are going to do an exercise, and when the music stops, we will freeze and it will be time to write a word on your paper with the focus sound Then we will do a different exercise until the music stops. Get ready.
Point to the star, sound out, and write the word learn. I love to learn about the weather. Learn. In this word, EAR makes the sound Spell learn and press play when you're ready to check it. The sounds in learn are l, n. You spell learn L-E-A-R-N. learn. Point to the hexagon. Sound out and write the word hurt. Be careful so you don't get hurt. Hurt. In this word, UR makes the sound er. Write the word hurt and press play when you're ready. The sounds in hurt are ert. You spell hurt H-U-R-T. Hurt. Point to the oval. Sound out and write the word her. That is her pencil. Her. In the word her, ER makes the sound er. Press pause now. The sounds in her are You spell her H-E-R. Her. Point to the circle. Sound out and write the word bird. The blue bird is beautiful. Bird. In this word, IR makes the sound er. Press pause and press play when you're finished. Let's see if you're right. The sounds in bird are b, d. You spell bird B-I-R-D. Bird.
Today on Teacher Sidekick Talk, we will be interviewing 3 types of sounds. Please give a round of applause for our first sound type, the OGs.
Sound number 1, the OGs. OG stands for original. This means the letter sounds that we first learned. Letter A says A, letter B says B, letter C says K, and so on. Let's see how many OG sounds you can say as they walk by. Ready?
Next sound type, the patterns. Bring them out, please.
A pattern is something that is repeated or happens again and again. The patterns are how we made our emoji friends. See how many sound patterns that you can say as the emoji friends walk by.
And finally, the sound type that has gone bananas. They don't make any sense, although sometimes there is a reason for them.
Sounds in these words have gone bananas. Let's meet a few. In this word, the E makes the sound I, and the Y says E. It's the word pretty. In this next word, the A makes the schwa sound. Do you know this word? It's want. I would recommend memorizing this last word or practicing our song for it. Who, 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 who. W-H-O, that's who. Let's review. We have the OG sounds, the letters that make their original sounds. The sound patterns, the emoji friends help us with these. And the sounds that have gone bananas. We just have to memorize these ones.
Today we are making a sentence. You want to be proud of your concoction, so go slow and create your masterpiece neatly. First, we add a capital letter. Then, we sound out our words, one at a time, being sure to put a space in between each word. And don't forget the final ingredient, the punctuation mark. When it is all done, try it, read it back, and make sure that it makes sense. I want you to check this sentence that I have made for you.
Today, you will need your pencil and your spaceman. I'm using a marker only so you can see it better. Today, we have to write a sentence that has a word with our focus sound So, we have 4 choices that we can use. Learn, hurt, her, bird. I'm going to write, I can learn a new magic trick. Let's say the words. Ready? I can learn a new magic trick. First word is I. When I is by itself, it's big and strong. A capital. And it should be a capital anyway because it's the beginning of our sentence. And I start at the very edge. Spaceman, I wrote a word. Move me over and go back and read it. I can. Ooh, my sight word, can. I hear a k, the letter C, k, and the funny A, A-N. Spaceman, I wrote a word. Move me over and go back and read it. And I make sure my spaceman is right after my last letter, and I'm going to write my next letter on the other side of his face. I can learn. We could sound it out or look above. L, n. First sound, l. L, And in this word, we know it is E, A, R. L, n. Spaceman, I wrote a word. Move me over and go back and read it. Your spaceman's voice can be as silly as you'd like. I can learn A. Plain old A. Spaceman, I wrote a word. Move me over and go back and read it. I can learn a new sight word. N-E-W, 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 new. N-N-Oo. If I didn't know my sight word song, I could think about our focus sound oo, and it's E-W in this word. Spaceman, I wrote a word. Move me over and go back and read it. I can learn a new magic. I can't fit magic right there, so I'm going to go down below. A, J, I, K, A, J, I, K. Spaceman, I wrote a word. Move me over and go back and read it. I can learn a new magic trick. Say the sounds in trick. Ready? T, R, I, K. First sound, T. Letter T. T, R, T, R, I. T, R, I. not sure if it's a C, a K, or a CK, so I'm going to ask my teacher. Excuse me, teacher, is it a CK or CK in the word trick? Great question. It is a CK. Thanks, teacher. Spaceman, I wrote a word. Move me over and go back and read it. I can learn a new magic trick. And I am all done, so I need my period. Actually, I would be very excited about learning a new magic trick. So I'm going to turn this into an exclamation point. Okay, let's check our sentence. Does my sentence make sense? Let me go back and read it. I can learn a new magic trick. Yes, it does. Does it start with a capital letter? There's my capital I. Yes, it does. Does it have spaces? Space. Perfect spaces, thanks to our spaceman. And does it end with a punctuation mark? Yes, we did an exclamation point. And we did kid writing, sounding it out. In the word magic, it is actually spelled M-A-G. It is a soft G in the word magic. But if you would spell it like this is awesome too. Great job.
Repeat after me. I promise to check to make sure my sentence makes sense. I promise to put a capital at the beginning of my sentence. I promise to put spaces in between my words. I promise to put a punctuation mark at the end. When you're done with your sentence, you may check the boxes to make sure you have fulfilled all of your promises for this mission. You may proceed and write your sentence.
When you're writing your sentence, don't forget to include at least one word with the sound er. Give yourself a check mark if your sentence makes sense, starts with a capital letter, has spaces in between your words, and ends with a punctuation mark.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 10, write the letter P.
If you are working in a group, take turns reading your sentences to each other. Give your friends a compliment about their sentence. A compliment is saying something that they did well, like, I love how you remembered the capital at the beginning of your sentence, or great use of that adjective, or your writing is beautiful, it's so nice and neat. If you're working by yourself, give yourself a compliment. We always want to show compassion and kindness by staying positive. Well, that's it for our mission. Great job, everybody. Signing off until next time.